You can get tons of buyers to buy your services, buy what you offer, and from there you can start making some cool cash. Times are a bit tough right now and everybody wants to make money, which is why having a side also that can earn you some extra cash will make a huge difference. And that's why I bring you good news. Some of this side also I'll be sharing, I've tried myself, but here's one thing I always say: make sure to do your research, and if you feel it's worth it, then you can go for it. This is all of the information I'll be sharing here today. They are based off of personal research. So without further ado, let's dive in. Starting close to home, Facebook platform is one of the best platforms we can make money from in the online space. Majority of us use Facebook, but what we don't know is that we can actually make lots of money from the Facebook app. One of the ways you can make money based off of Facebook is through the Facebook marketplace. And this Facebook marketplace is a place where you can buy, sell, and trade your services online within your local community. You can get tons of buyers to buy your services, buy what you offer, and from there you can start making some cool cash, cool earnings from yourself. And guys, it's completely free. All you have to do is to sign in to Facebook if you're not yet in the Facebook platform, and you can have access to the Facebook marketplace and start making some money for yourself. Udemy is another great platform where you can make money from in the online space. A lot of us know Udemy as an online tutoring platform, which is true, because it's one of the biggest platforms where we can learn and buy courses from. But one of the ways you can actually make money from this platform is by monetizing your expertise by selling courses as an instructor. And of course, another great way you can earn money in the online space is through the YouTube platform. YouTube pays creator through Google AdSense. Now, one of the ways you can be eligible to making money in the YouTube platform is by signing up as a creator and also getting up to at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So when you've crossed this threshold, you can then be eligible for monetization and you can start making some cool dollars for yourself. Another great platform where you can make money from in the online space through medium.com. Medium.com is an online platform where writers can monetize their writing skill and then they get paid for it. You can monetize your writing skill through the Medium Partners program. So once you are eligible, once you meet their requirements, you can start making some cool money for yourself. And they don't restrict anybody. So wherever you are in this part of the world, you can actually apply once you meet their requirement policy. So another platform you can actually earn from is through the Clickworker platform. Clickworker is a platform where you can actually make money from online doing micro tasks like data entry, survey, web search, image tagging, content creation, and many other micro tasks for a small fee, like a very little fee. And some of these tasks may vary depending on your location. So some of the tasks might vary. I think for some persons in some location, you can't actually take surveys and the rest. So they pay you just little fee for those tasks. And regardless of wherever you are in this part of the world, you can actually sign up and earn. So if it's something you think you can do, why not? You can go for it. Freelancers is another platform where you can make money from in the online space. You can make money from this platform as a full-time also, or even as a side also, depending on your choice. It's basically a marketplace where you can flaunt your skills, whether it's writing, coding, graphic design, you name it. All you basically have to do is to set up your profile, bid on jobs, and then you start bagging freelance gigs. And the good thing is you get to work from the comfort of your home, and also get to work with various clients all over the globe, and also get paid in various currency. Like guys, there's no other great feeling like getting paid in like various currency. So you see, this is actually one great medium you can actually make money from in the online space. Okay, Swagbox is another great option to make extra cash online. You basically earn points called Swagbox by watching videos, taking surveys, shopping, and many more. But this point can be turned into money or gift cards. But the thing is, it's not going to make you rich overnight, and it's also not going to replace your regular jobs. Okay, so it's just like a side also that pays you little money for like little things. All right, so let's move to the next one. And next on our list we have Gigbox. Gigbox is like a market for it's like a gig market for hustlers. All you have to do is to showcase your skills, bid on projects, and make money. It's just like the freelancers platform where they give freelancers a chance to shine by showcasing your skill, bidding project, and also bagging gigs. It's also similar to the Fiverr platform. Fiverr is also another platform where you can make money from online as a freelancer. And you should have in mind that this freelance platform are like a crowded space. And for you to be able to stand out from the crowd, you need to put in your best. You need to extremely work on your profile for you to stand out from the crowd and get noticed by clients. Just like the popular saying, nothing good comes easy, which is true because you really need to put in the work for you to get your desired result, and that applies to your career and even in various aspects of your life. So guys, we'll come to the end of this video. If you found value from this content, please subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up so the algorithm push it more to more people. Okay, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much for always stopping by this channel. I really do appreciate it. Okay, if you're not yet a subscriber, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn your bell notification on so you are the first to get notified when next I post amazing content on this channel. I post videos on finance, tech, career, growth, and lifestyle content, if I do say so myself. So thank you so much for sticking with me to this very point. And also, do not forget to do your research, because I will always advise you to do your research in whatever thing you want to do, so as not to waste your time and not to make the wrong decisions. Okay, so thank you so much. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.